Just imagine, Earth is getting too crowded or too hot, and humans need a brand new home in space. Hold on to your seat, because today we are traveling to 5 real planets that could be Earth 2.0. Can you believe it? Some of them are closer than you think. Hi everyone, welcome back to FarawayLight. Today we're on a cosmic road trip to see worlds that might one day be our new homes. These planets were discovered by real astronomers, and each one has something special. So strap in, picture the stars, and let's explore. Planet 1, Kepler 452b, about 1,400 light-years away. Just imagine a planet almost the same size as Earth, circling a star very similar to our Sun. Scientists think it sits in the habitable zone, a sweet spot where liquid water could exist. That means rivers, lakes, or even oceans might be possible. Picture yourself watching a sunrise that looks familiar, with golden light on alien hills. But remember, travel there would take thousands of years with today's technology, so it's a dream home for future generations. Planet 2, TRAPPIST-1e, only about 40 light-years away, close in space terms. This rocky world is part of a system with several Earth-sized planets. It might hold oceans and has the right temperature for liquid water. Imagine lower gravity than Earth. You'd bounce higher, maybe hop across rocks like a superhero. Also, because its star is cooler and red, the sky might have a different color at dusk, purple or deep red hues that make every sunset feel magical. Planet 3, hold on to your seat. Proxima b is just 4.2 light-years away, our closest known neighbor. It orbits a red dwarf star, which is smaller and cooler than our Sun. Some studies suggest Proxima b could have the right conditions for air and maybe even oxygen. Just imagine stepping outside and seeing a small red sun hanging low in the sky. Different, but beautiful. One challenge, red dwarfs can be flare-active, so future settlers might need shelters or magnetic shields to stay safe. But the idea of a nearby world we could someday visit? Mind-blowing. Planet 4, AS 1140b. Now meet LHS 1140b, about 40 light-years away. This one is bigger than Earth, a super-Earth, and it may have a thick atmosphere. Think of giant cloud layers that protect life from harmful space radiation. Imagine building domed cities under soft, glowing clouds and watching huge, slow-moving storms light up the horizon. A strong atmosphere could mean a stable climate, very promising for long-term habitats. Planet 5, finally, Gliese 667cc, around 23.6 light-years away. Scientists think it may have oceans and a comfortable temperature, not too hot, not too cold. Imagine sailing on an alien sea, discovering strange islands and unknown life forms. Picture bioluminescent waves at night, lighting the coast like a magical glow. It's like a sci-fi movie, but based on real science and real discoveries. Closing/C, 20 seconds. So, which planet would you pick as your new home? Could you live under purple sunsets or on a world with giant protective clouds? Tell me in the comments. I want to know your choice and why. If you loved this cosmic trip, hit like, share with a friend who loves space, and subscribe to FarawayLight for more journeys into the universe. Thanks for watching. The stars are waiting.